As history unfolds, patterns emerge that offer insights into the challenges faced by civilizations past and present. The decline of the Roman Empire serves as a compelling narrative that resonates with contemporary issues confronting modern nations like the United States. Let us explore the parallels between Rome's decline and the challenges facing the United States today, examining how economic instability, immigration and border issues, military expansion, moral decline, and political turmoil manifest in both contexts. The Roman Empire's economy suffered from chronic instability and inflation, driven by factors such as excessive government spending, debasement of currency, and disruptions in trade routes. Similarly, the United States grapples with economic challenges, including rising national debt, budget deficits, and income inequality. The 2008 financial crisis exposed vulnerabilities in the U.S. economy, leading to prolonged economic uncertainty and widening wealth disparities. Make no mistake, the economy never recovered. From sources, the U.S. inflation report in February 2024 exceeded expectations, signaling possible delays in anticipated Federal Reserve rate cuts. The Consumer Price Index rose by 3.2% year-on-year, with core inflation at 3.8%. Moreover, quantitative easing measures undertaken by the Federal Reserve to stimulate economic growth have raised concerns about inflationary pressures and long-term sustainability. Without getting into details, over the past 100 years, the U.S. federal debt has increased from $403 billion in 1923 to $33.17 trillion in 2023. Rome's experience with managing diverse populations and securing its borders bears resemblance to contemporary debates surrounding immigration and border security in the United States. Like Rome, the United States is a nation of immigrants grappling with questions of identity, cultural integration, and sovereignty. The influx of undocumented migrants and the challenges of enforcing immigration laws fuel contentious political debates and calls for comprehensive immigration reform. Additionally, border security measures, including the construction of physical barriers and increased surveillance, reflect efforts to address concerns about national security and illegal immigration. The Roman Empire's extensive military presence across its vast territories finds parallels in the United States' global military footprint and overseas deployments. Like Rome, the United States maintains a network of military bases and conducts operations in regions spanning the globe. While these deployments serve strategic interests and international obligations, they also incur significant costs and resources. Let this sink in. There are around 750 U.S. military bases in at least 80 countries. Some say it's debatable, as it may be even higher, as not all data is published by the Pentagon. Moreover, reliance on foreign recruits or contractors for military and security operations raises questions about loyalty, cultural integration, and the long-term sustainability of military engagements. Rome's decline was marked by moral decay, declining civic virtues, and social fragmentation, echoing contemporary challenges facing the United States. Issues such as corruption, political polarization, and social inequality erode trust in institutions and undermine the sense of national unity and purpose. The influence of technology and social media has reshaped cultural norms and behaviors, amplifying divisions and fueling echo chambers that reinforce ideological biases. Moreover, the erosion of traditional moral frameworks and the rise of individualism challenge notions of collective responsibility and civic engagement. Political instability and leadership crises are recurring themes in both Roman history and contemporary U.S. politics. Divisive politics, partisan gridlock, and challenges to democratic norms undermine governance and hinder effective decision-making. The rise of populist movements and the erosion of trust in political institutions further exacerbate political tensions and polarize society. Moreover, the dominance of money in politics and the influence of special interest groups raise questions about the integrity of the democratic process and the representativeness of elected officials. The parallels between the decline of Rome and contemporary challenges facing the United States highlight the enduring relevance of history in understanding the complexities of societal transformation. Economic instability, immigration and border issues, military expansion, moral decline, and political turmoil represent interconnected challenges that shape the trajectory of nations over time. By examining these parallels, we gain valuable insights into the root causes of contemporary issues and the imperative of addressing them with foresight, resilience, and collective action. As the United States navigates the uncertainties of the 21st century, lessons from the past offer guidance for building a more sustainable future.